Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Empires 3 on your Mac. Many Mac users want to enjoy this classic real-time strategy game. We'll cover two main approaches, using a virtual machine or a compatibility layer. Both methods allow you to experience the game, but they differ in setup and performance. Let's dive into the details of getting your empire started on Mac OS. One effective way to play Age of Empires 3 is through a virtual machine. Software like Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion allows you to run Windows directly on your Mac. After installing your chosen virtualization software, create a new virtual machine and install a Windows operating system. Ensure you allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores for smooth gameplay. Then, simply install Age of Empires 3, as you would on a regular Windows PC. Another excellent option is using a compatibility layer, such as Crossover Mac. This software allows Windows applications to run on Mac OS without needing a complete Windows installation. You simply download and install Crossover, then create a bottle for Age of Empires 3. Install the game directly into this bottle. This approach can be more resource-efficient than a virtual machine, offering a streamlined gaming experience with fewer overheads. To ensure the best experience, optimize your system. Close any applications running in the background to free up valuable RAM and CPU power. Adjust Age of Empires 3's in-game graphics settings to suit your Mac specifications. Lowering resolutions or detail levels can significantly improve frame rates. Always keep your Mac OS and virtualization or compatibility software updated. If you encounter issues, many online communities offer helpful troubleshooting advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.